So now that we've made a door box and we use it as a cutting surface to split away the big box and make a door opening. Now we have a door opening. We don't have a door yet. We just have a hole in the wall to put a door into. Yes? So first things first, okay, I want to merge all faces because I don't like that line with that line here. So I'm going to do a merge all faces. I'm going to select that. I'm going to press enter. Now you can see I got rid of the threshold line. Okay, and you can see it better if I go to shaded mode. There's no longer a line here, a line that was the memory of the box, the door box. It's a little cleaner. Okay. Your door layer, make that current, and let's actually do the door itself now. Okay, let's do the door itself. To do the door itself, there's many ways of doing that. One way to do it is just to do a box again, all right? And you can do a box right here. And you can start your box anywhere on the floor. And let's make the door maybe, let's see. We can make our door, it's going to be 7.0, right? So click at 7 feet, comma, and let's say the other direction is 2. So I'm going to say 2 inches, 2 inches, okay? Press enter. And let's give it a height. What is our height going to be? Oh, we made it sideways actually. We're going at 3.6, aren't we? Let's do that again. You guys didn't correct me. So we're going to go 3 foot 6 inches at 3 foot 6 inches at 3 foot 6 inches, comma, 2 inches. Enter. There we go. Height, let's go 7 feet. Enter. I just made a door like so. It has this thickness. Now how do I move that door right there? You click move. You select the object you want to move. And here's the trick now. Please pay attention to this. If I move this from this corner to that corner, then the door is going to be flush with the surface, isn't it? Do I want that? No. No. Let's go ahead and do it. See what we get. Okay, is this what I want? Wallpaper right there? Usually it would be moved in a little bit, right? It would move slightly back. Just like this door right here in our classroom. It's not flush with the wall, is it? Okay, so to do that, I'm just going to go to my snaps down at the bottom, and I'm going to select midpoint. I'm going to undo endpoint. I'm going to select midpoint, and then I'm going to do a move. Command move, select object, press enter, and I'm going to move it from, let's see here, do I have midpoint? Get rid of your grid snap. Let's try to grab that midpoint. Object snap is on. Alright. For some reason, oh, it's on point. I need to go to midpoint. There we go. There we go. So midpoint. It grabbed the midpoint point of the thickness, which is at the 1 inch mark, right? Now I can move it, and I can snap it from that midpoint to this midpoint, the thickness of the wall midpoint. Right? Now that's believable. Let's go to our top view and see where our door is, right there. You can kind of see Actually, I'm going to do something here that you don't have to do yet, but okay. So do you guys see how we snap the door to the midpoint of the wall? Okay, that's what I want everybody to do. Make sure your door is not flush on the inside and it's not flush with the outside. It's at the midpoint. Okay. Do you remember how you made these offset surfaces? So you can do it you can do this wall also just by doing a plane. I mean, you can do the door just by doing a plane, and then you offset that plane by 2 inches, and you offset it solid. Okay, that's another technique. So this icon here is, and I'm going to walk up to the screen for a second. This surface is just a corner-to-corner surface. It makes a perfect rectangle. This surface is if you're doing a vertical surface, if you're doing a horizontal surface like this. If you want to draw a horizontal surface, you click this guy. This guy, if you want to draw a vertical surface, right? Vertical surface. See how it's got 2 points on the bottom and you pull the curtain up? Right? With this one, it's like horizontal and you draw the drawer out or you push the drawer in. Okay? That's the difference between these two guys. This is just any 4 points. Anyway. Okay. You can even make a warped surface with it. So, you can just do a vertical surface for the door, right? You enter your dimensions. You can call this 3 foot 6 inches. 3 foot 6 inches away. You accept it, then you take it tall and you tell it I want to be 7 foot tall. There you go. All right. Let me do it in a darker color so we can see what we're drawing. So let's repeat. Vertical surface, start somewhere. Okay, end of edge is going to be from that starting point 3 foot 6. Press enter. Okay, accept by clicking with the left button of the mouse. To take it vertical, we want to do 7 feet. Press enter. It wants to go some more, but I don't want I'm done, so left click with the mouse, there's your surface. Okay, just a sheet of paper that's the same size as this, but it doesn't have thickness yet. I just wanted to do a shortcut. I wanted to do a box right away. Okay, but you can offset surface. This guy, how much? 2 inches. Okay. In this direction, that's fine. There it is. Did I click 2 inches or did I click like 2 feet or something? Offset surface. Okay. Oh, distance. Yeah. Don't forget your distance. So distance is going to be 2 inches. Press enter. What are my other options? Sharp corners, yes. Solid, yes. Both sides, no. One side. Delete inputs yet. We're good to go. There's my door, right? Okay. There's another technique. So you can just do your vertical surface right here. Let's pretend we did it at the right size. Okay. And then you move that. Here, let's turn this layer off. And you move that surface from its end point to a midpoint. And then you do offset surface. Accept. Press enter when done. Distance 1 inch. You do 1 inch, and I'll tell you why. Accept. Sharp corner, solid yes, da 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 da. Now you go both sides, yes. 1 inch on this side and 1 inch on that side. Give you 2 inches. Done. And it's centered, right? So these are the 3 different ways that you can do your door and windows later on. So I'm going to delete that, and if anybody wants to ask me how to do this later on with a little bit more detail, we can do that. All right. Let's turn off our door box, turn on our door, and we're good to go. Okay, let's stop this video here.